There's a lot of companies out there that make a lot of money bringing 2-3 people into the office behind a corporate backdrop with your logo on it, right? And you guys have all seen these. Bob, I'll let you ask your question in a second, but Bob, you've seen this one, have you not? Right? I really like working with Apps Incorporated. They're great. And it's like, clearly you're at the convention and somebody said, hey, we'll buy you lunch or give you, $1,000. Could you sit down, Mary Beth, and say as VP of product development that you like working with Apps Incorporated? It's clear to everybody that watches those videos that this thing was rigged, right? Especially if they're standing with your logo behind them. It was rigged, okay? There ain't nothing better than impromptu, shaky, right? Not good lighting. My hair's messed up, right? People be like, oh man, my hair's messed up. I can't shoot a video. Please shoot the video, right? This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for real. I want real people saying real things. Just say what you like best. All right, I'll do it.